There comes a point in every person's life where silence becomes heavy, where the weight of your own potential starts pressing against your chest. You feel it. You felt it for years, that quiet voice inside you saying, "You were meant for more." But life has a way of testing you. Life has a way of pushing you to the edge. Life has a way of making you question everything. And still, you're here, still standing, still breathing, still fighting for a future you refuse to give up on. That alone makes you powerful, more powerful than you realize, because strength isn't built in comfort. Strength is built in chaos. Strength is built in nights where you cried but kept going. Strength is built in moments where you broke, but rebuilt yourself quietly. You've survived storms that were meant to destroy you. You've walked through darkness that tried to swallow you. You've carried pain that nobody saw, and still showed up like everything was fine. That's not weakness. That's resilience. That's grit. That's the heart of someone unbreakable. But listen carefully. There is a difference between surviving and rising. Surviving keeps you alive. Rising makes you unstoppable. And now, right now, this is the moment where you rise. Not when you feel ready. Not when everything is perfect. Not when the fear disappears. You rise now with the fear, with the doubt, with the uncertainty. Because courage isn't the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward while fear screams in your ear. You've waited long enough. You've held back long. You've dimmed your light long enough. It's time to step into the version of you that you've always known you could be. The disciplined you, the focused you, the relentless you, the you that doesn't negotiate with excuses, the you that doesn't fold under pressure, the you that doesn't quit when life gets heavy. You owe that to yourself. You owe that to your future. You owe that to the dreams you buried but never forgot. So stand tall. Lift your chin. Feel your heartbeat. Feel your strength. Feel the fire that never died inside you. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are not done. You are rising. You are evolving. You are becoming someone your past self would be proud of. And the world has no idea what's coming. Because once a person decides to rise, once a person decides to stop waiting, once a person decides to become unstoppable, nothing can stand in their way, not fear, not failure, not doubt, not the past, not the opinions of others. Nothing. This is your moment, your chapter, your transformation. Walk forward with purpose. Walk forward with fire. Walk forward knowing you were built for this, because you were, because you are, because you always will be. You are unbreakable. And now, it's time to prove it.